So today, I'm doing wheels. Taking this factory coating off of these. Gonna try and polish them up. I got some paint for the faces. Okay, so this is the first polish pass with just a polish wheel on a drill and this white diamond metal polish stuff. I know this isn't the best stuff to use. I know it's not technically right, but I can appreciate the results I'm getting. Now, this is 100 grit to take off the coating, and then a once over with 220 to bring that 100 grit scratch down, and then a one wet, very wet pass over with that. That gets us this result. Now if you look closely, I'm not sure if it shows up on video, there's a lot of scratches still in that. Even though it's shiny, there's still a lot of scratches in the surface. This is my first once over. I will polish after every 2 to 3 grits until we get to the higher grits. I know it's not right, that's what I've always done, and it makes sure that you work polish into the scratches that kind of get missed. So this is going to be after a 400 wet sand, after one very wet polish pass. I would have moved to 320. I thought I had some, I guess I didn't. So these are not going to be perfect, but that's okay because the tires are still on, the valve stems are still in. I'm not going to be able to get most of this area right here. So these wheels will be done again at some point, but it's good enough for now. Like I said, it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. But I like these a lot more than those. This crusty ass, fucking nasty BMW coating. Well, I forgot to film most of the sanding and spraying of the faces, but spraying with a HVLP gun. I think this is like $200 from Harbor Freight. Not super expensive. Got a frost white base with a pearlescent overlay, also base coat, and then the clear also has another pearlescent in it. Right now I'm spraying clear. So definitely not perfect again, but got that pearl in there. There's a little bit of dust in there because obviously I'm spraying that side. There's some drops from the paint gun. The lid wasn't on all the way. Not too worried about that, it's whatever. This is the one that I'm kind of annoyed about. It's just a fucking dot right in the center of a wheel. A little bit of dust right there. Might be able to pull that out. Really liking this pearl though. Should look good.